Timings of the tides change daily. So we have seen the tides are continuously occurring phenomena. Yes, how the day and night occur in the same way, the tides occur continuously. After reaching the maximum water level during the high tide, the low tide sets in. This I told you. Similarly, after reaching the lowest water level during low tide, the high tide sets in. Remember that in the following discussion, the highest limit of the high tides is mentioned. See figure 3.9. Okay, see this is the figure 3.9. Why do tide timings change daily? You will understand why the timings of the high and low tides change daily. So this is the earth. I told you this is the moon. Yes, so the moon, this is the changing position of the moon. M1, M2, M3. Okay, are you all getting? And I also told you this, that rotational speed of the earth 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Time taken for 12 degree 30 minutes is equal to 50 minutes. Okay. Now, see here, there will be high tide at point P as it is opposite to moon. Can you see this point P, all of you? See, observe the figure. I am showing you the figure here. See the screen properly. Now this is the moon. Okay, this is position 1. This is P. Okay, this is P, this is P1, this is F, this is F1. Now there will be high tide at point P. Yes, here it will be high tide. Okay, H. I am writing here HT, high tide. Okay, so sorry, not here. I'm sorry for that. See here, high tide. Now, as it is opposite to the moon, as point F. Now, point F is opposite at what? At an antipodal location. Okay, to the point P, means it is far away. So point P, F is opposite to point P. It will also experience high tide at the same time. So as this is P, this is F, here also there will be high tide as it is opposite to point P. Why? Because suppose if this is 0 degree, this will be 180 degree. So if it is high tide at this point, definitely there will be high tide at the other point. Clear? So it will also experience the high tide. Are you all getting this much? Now, it will take 24 hours for point P. Okay, it will take 24 hours for point P to come back to the original position. Okay, 360 degree. How many hours? From means, now see all of you, from this point till this point P, 360 degree. How many hours it is going to take? How many hours it is going to take? 24 hours. Clear? It is going to take 24 hours. Clear? Are you all getting this much? 24 hours for point P to come back to its original position, 360 degree. Now, point P will be at point F after 12 hours. Yes, here it will come after 12 hours. Clear? That is 180 degree. 360 degree, half of it is 180 degree. Here it is 24 hours to complete one Okay, to come again to this position, it will take 24 hours. So half of it is 1 degree, that means 12 hours. The same change will also occur with reference to point F. Same thing is going to happen with F. Point F will not experience the same high tide because in the meanwhile, the moon also would have moved a little. Yes, this will not experience the same high tide. Okay, why? Why? Because the moon is also changing the position. Moon has also changed a little. That's why. Are you all getting? With the earth, the moon is also changing. Clear? Ahead, moon is also moving ahead. Approximately 6 degree 15 minutes. How much the moon has moved? 6 degree 15 minutes. Hence, it will take 25 minutes more, for the point F to come to position to the moon. Okay, so if the moon is moving this much, so to travel this position, it will take how many minutes? Point F, 25 minutes. Understood all of you? 25 minutes. Clear? So, for more point F to come to the position with the moon. After 12 hours, so this 12 hours, yes, after 12 hours, 25 minutes, F will arrive opposite to moon and it will experience high tide. Okay, after how many time? After 12 hours, 25 minutes. Clear? So after 12 hours 25 minutes, F will arrive opposite to the moon and it will experience high tide. Point P, okay, point P opposite to F will also experience high tide. What? Point P opposite to F, okay, will also experience the high tide. This, okay, sorry. Yeah. Clear all of you? Are you all getting it? How does the position changes? Later again after 12 or 25 minutes, point P1 will experience high tide as it comes in front of the moon. This, okay, will experience high tides as it comes in front of moon. There will be high tide at F12 as shown in figure 3.1. So if this P1 is going to experience high tide, this F1 will also experience the high tide. There is high tide and low tide twice a day. There is high tide, remember this all of you, there is high tide and low tide twice a day. Okay, means 24 hours generally. The time difference between two high tides is of 12 hours and 25 minutes. Did you understand why these 25 minutes are increased? Because the moon is also changing the position with the earth's rotation. Getting all of you? Understood all of you? Okay. So I hope you all have understood the how the time is there and how does it occur daily. Yes, please try to please see it again and try to understand it again. If you understand the figure properly, definitely you will understand it properly. Okay, now try this. Take a wide open large dish. What? Take a wide open large dish. Keep the dish on a table or a flat surface. Whatever dish is there, keep it on a table or a flat surface. Fill water in dish up to the rim. Okay? Fill water in dish up to the rim. We have to generate waves in dish. Okay, how are you going to generate waves? If you are going to move the table surface, automatically there will be waves in the dish. Or if you are just going to blow the water, automatically there will be waves in the dish. Is it possible to generate waves without touching or shoving the dish? Shoving the dish? Try doing so. Means don't just keep it. Don't do anything. Just observe it. Will the waves be generated in the dish? No. In what different ways can you generate waves in the dish? This I told you first only. You can just move the table or just hit the dish, or you can just blow air into the water, into the dish. If you are going to blow as we drink tea, okay, the waves will be generated in the dish.